What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. I'm down here at my brother's. We just finished harvesting his potatoes. I have some sweet potato slips for him, so we're going to amend his soil real quick. We got a Mel's mix right here, which is compost, peat moss, and vermiculite. Incorporate it and then add it to our 7-gallon pots. So we just harvested potatoes from his 7-gallon grow bags, and I just added some Mel's mix to help amend this soil, and then we're going to fill the 7-gallon grow bags back up. Okay, so filling up the grow bags. What's great is with already using this soil and now amending it, we're actually going to get double the use out of the soil, which is also a nice cost savings for my brother. The sweet potato slips I was able to get roots to grow on. What we're going to do is I'm going to plant 2 per container and then top it off with a little bit of wood chips for a mulch layer for them. So all I'm doing is I'm just digging down a little hole, plant it, and then backfill, digging down, planting, backfill, doing this to both of them the same exact way. And then once we go ahead and add that mulch layer, we'll water everything in. Well, I have this water here. So, like always, we want a nice mulch layer to go ahead and help keep the plant moist. And we also want to water the plants in because we want the roots to get good soil contact, so there's no air pockets or anything like that that can cause the roots to get damaged. And then also be able to retain some moisture and water, because down here in Virginia it's hot. It's 90 some degrees right now. Now we're watering in. We added the wood chip mulch, so it has a good moisture barrier to help keep it moist. Down here in Virginia it gets very hot. Another thing to remember is with it being in a grow bag or a container, it will dry out more, so you'll have to maintain proper moisture for your items that you're growing in your grow bag or container. Quick recap on what we did today. We went ahead, we amended the soil that we added to our 7-gallon grow bags. We then planted our sweet potato slips, added a mulch layer, and watered everything in. Have a great day.
Three,
Right.
2, 1, you.
The roots get good seed, or get good. Thank you. Hold on a second. I'm going ahead. You're like 3, 2, 1, poop.